Good day, grade R's, and welcome to our lesson for today. We will learn many new things today. In order to do this, we need to stay focused and pay attention to our lesson. We are first going to begin with our theme for this week. This week, our theme is called My Country. Can you say that with me? My country. The name of our country is called South Africa. Can we say that all together? South Africa. In order to understand what a country is, let's look at the world map. This is a map of our world. Look at all of the pieces of land that make up our world. These are called continents. Let's say that together. Continents. Can you see the continent that's shown in a green color? This continent is called Africa. Can you say that with me? Africa. Africa is broken up into many more pieces of land, and each of these are called countries. If we look at the country that is right at the bottom of Africa, this is South Africa. This is the country that we live in. South Africa is a beautiful country, and the people of South Africa are called South Africans. Every country has its own flag. This is what the South African flag looks like. Have you seen it before? Our flag has 6 colors: red, blue, green, white, yellow, black. Can you see how the flag has a letter Y shape to it? If you look closely, we see 2 roads joining to form one road. This pattern of the flag symbolizes different people coming together. Can you say that with me? Different people coming together. South Africa is known as the Rainbow Nation, as many different types of people reside here. There are 11 official languages in South Africa. Each country has its own form of money that it uses, called currency. Can you say that with me? Currency. Our currency is called the rand. I'm sure you have heard this word before. We pay for things in rands. 5 rands, 10 rands, 50 rands. Every country has a leader called a president. Our president is Mr. Cyril Ramaphosa. Our previous presidents have been Mr. Jacob Zuma, Mr. Thabo Mbeki, and Mr. Nelson Mandela. Each country has its own set of national symbols. These symbols are important to each country. Our country's national flower is the protea. Have you seen this pretty flower before? Our national tree is the yellowwood tree. Our national fish is the galcon. Our national animal is the springbok. And our national bird is the blue crane. Do you think you can answer a few questions on our topic for today? Can you remember what the name of our theme is? Our new theme is called My Country, South Africa. There are 6 colors on our flag. Can you remember what colors these were? The colors on our flag are red, blue, green, yellow, black, and white. Do you remember the meaning of our flag? Our flag represents different people coming together. What is the name of South Africa's president? The name of our president is Mr. Cyril Ramaphosa. What type of money do we use here in South Africa? We use the rand. Are you ready to begin our mathematics lesson for today? Today we are going to learn sequencing. Sequencing is being able to put things in its correct order. We are going to sequence numbers from number 1 to number 10. What would be the correct sequence or the correct order of 1 to 10? Do you know? It would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job! We will be using this sequence throughout our lesson today. Let's begin. Let's have a look at the numbers on our screen. We see 1, 2, 3. We need to figure out which numbers comes next. In order to do this, let's count from 1 to 10 and listen to which numbers comes after the number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is 4. Did you see how we figured that out? Let's try another example. Let's have a look at the numbers on our screen. We see 4, 5, 6. We need to figure out which number comes next. In order to do this, let's count from 1 to 10 and listen to which number comes after the number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer is 7. Did you see how we figured that out? Let's try one more example. Let's have a look at the numbers on our screen. We see 7, 8, 9. We need to figure out which numbers comes next. In order to do this, let's count from 1 to 10 and listen to which number comes after the number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The answer is 10. Did you see how we figured that out? The next few examples have more than one number missing. We can figure these out the exact same way. Let's try together. There are 4 numbers missing in this sequence. We can figure out which numbers are missing by counting from 1 to 10 and filling in the numbers along the way. 1, 2. Now I need to fill in number 2 in this space. Let's continue. We will start from 1 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I can write number 5 in this space. Let's continue. We will start from number 1 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I will write number 8 in this space. Let's continue. We will start from number 1 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I fill in number 10. Can you see we have correctly completed the entire example? Well done, grade R's. You can check your work by reading over the numbers again to make sure they go in order from 1 to 10. Let's try another example. Here we see 6 numbers missing from this sequence. What should we do to figure this out? Yes, we should count from 1 to 10. Let's try together and fill in our answers along the way. 1, 2. Now I can fill in number 2 in this space. Let's continue. We will start from number 1 again. 1, 2, 3. Let's fill in number 3 in this space. Let's continue. We will start from number 1 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's write number 5 in its space. Let's continue. We will start from number 1 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's write number 6 in its space. Let's continue. We will start from number 1 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can now fill in number 8 in its place. Let's continue. We will start from number 1 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we can write number 9 in its place. Can you see we have correctly completed the entire example? Fantastic, boys and girls! Now, let's turn to page 4 of our workpack. Can you see the examples here are similar to what we have covered in our lesson today? Try completing these on your own using a pencil. I know you are going to do this well. Good job, everyone. Are you ready for our language lessons for today? Today we are going to begin a new activity called Join and Blend. We are going to join letters together to form words. Let's begin. Let's look at the following letters and sound them out. A, t, at. When we sound them out together, they create the sound at. Did you hear that? A, t, at. Can you say that with me? A, t, at. Let us recap the sound we have made. We are going to use this to create new words. A, t, at. Let's do it a few more times. A, t, at. A, t, at. A, t, at. Let us add letters to the at sound to create words. S plus at is sat. Our new word is sat. I sat on the chair. Did you see how we used the at sound to make up the word sat? Let us add another letter to the at sound to create a word. P plus at is pet. Our new word is pet. I like to pet my dog. Did you see how we used the at sound to make up the word pet? Let us add another letter to the at sound to create a word. R plus at is rat. Our new word is rat. The cat saw the little rat. Did you see how we used the at sound to make up the word rat? Now let's look at our activity on page 6 of our workpack. Can you see how it looks similar to the lesson we have just covered? I want you to now use these letters to make up the words. Then try reading the words out aloud. I know you can do this, boys and girls. Thank you for watching, boys and girls.